Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the full 2025 guide on how to use UPBASE for nonprofit campaign planning. First off, sign into your UPBASE account. If you don't have one yet, it's easy to set one up on the UPBASE website. This workspace is the central hub where all your campaign planning will take place. Now that we're in, the first thing we need to do is create a new project. Head over to the Project tab and click Create New. Name your project and add a brief description. This helps us because it allows us to differentiate between various campaigns. Next up, we're going to set up our campaign workflow. Head over to the Workflow section. Here, you can create a step-by-step visual representation of your campaign process. This helps us understand the sequence of events and tasks in the campaign. Once we have our workflow established, it's time to add members to your project. Navigate back to your project page, click on Team, and then Invite Members. Here's where you can add your team members' email addresses. The reason we do this is to keep everyone involved in the loop, ensuring smooth collaboration and communication. Now let's move on to task assignment. Click on Tasks, then Create New. Assign tasks to your team members, set deadlines, and allocate resources. Remember, each task you create should align with a step in your campaign workflow. This helps us because it ensures that every step in the workflow has an assigned responsibility, keeping your campaign organized and on track. The final step is to monitor and manage your campaign's progress. UPBASE has a Progress tab where you can view the status of every task and your campaign's overall progress. This is crucial because it allows you to make real-time adjustments and drive your campaign towards success. Let me explain why all these steps matter. What we're doing here is essentially setting up a clear roadmap for our campaign. By doing so, we're not just planning our steps, but also ensuring that everyone knows their roles and responsibilities. It's this clarity and organization that truly makes UPBASE a powerful tool for nonprofit campaign planning. And that's it. You've now learned how to use UPBASE for nonprofit campaign planning. Remember, the key to a successful campaign lies in efficient planning and coordination. With UPBASE, you now have everything you need to make your campaign a success. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.